Last month, I made 566k trading gold. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I trade gold, how I find my entries, how I decide where to take profit, and I'll break down the 2 live trades that made me that profit. Now, this is not theory. These trades were documented live on my second channel, Breakout Trades. And later in this video, I will show you exactly what I saw before entering, where I place my stop loss and take profit, and why. Now, for those of you who are new here, my name is Breakout. I've been trading for nearly 7 years, and I document every single trade on my second channel, Breakout Trades. I'm the founder of 1% Club, a trading mentorship program that helps you plan, execute, journal, and review your trades with proper guardrails and performance tracking. So, I don't want your money. I want you to become a better trader. With that being said, let's get right into it. Now, before I show you the strategy, you need to understand one thing. Gold is not like every other market. Gold moves super duper fast, which means that it can give you a very clean move very fast, but it can also reverse on you just as fast if you are way too late or if you get too greedy. That's why a lot of traders struggle with gold. They treat it just like a normal forex pair, and then they enter way too late, or they hold the trade for way too long, or they use stop losses that are way too tight, or they try to catch the entire move. But gold doesn't reward that. Gold respects liquidity very well. It loves to sweep high, sweep lows, grab liquidity, and then move aggressively in the opposite direction. So instead of chasing price, you need to understand where liquidity is sitting and wait for price to come to your level. The biggest mistake beginners make with trading gold is that they think they need to catch the entire move. You don't. You don't need to catch this entire 200 pip move in order to make money on gold. You just need to catch the cleanest part of the move. That's the mindset shift. The goal is not to predict the entire day. The goal is to find the highest probability section of the entire move, and then get in, take your profit, and get out. So I want you guys to remember this when you are trading gold. Get in fast, get out faster.
30 million of real users and millions
scalping gold. Now, let me walk you through my entire gold trading strategy, which comprises of 5 simple steps. This is the exact same framework that I use whenever I'm looking for quick, high probability move on gold. And remember, because we are scalping today, we are not trying to predict the entire day. We are not trying to catch the entire move. We are just trying to catch the cleanest part of the move. So step 1 is identify the trend direction. Specifically, the 50-minute and the 1-hour trend direction. So you want both of these time frames to be aligned before you even look for a trade. So if the 1-hour time frame is bullish, but the 15-minute time frame is bearish, now we got a misalignment in the higher time frame and the lower time frame, which will give you low probability setups, right? So as much as possible, you want both of these time frames to be aligned. The 1-hour bullish, 15-minute also gotta be bullish. The 1-hour bearish, 15-minute also gotta be bearish. So yeah, like if you're a beginner, you want to just make sure that both time frames are aligned as much as possible. So in this particular example, you can see that price is creating your lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. And then what happened was that there was so much bullish momentum, so much buy orders in the market that later price went up there and take out the last lower high, giving us a market shift, right? So at this point of time, we know that the structure has officially shifted bullish on the 1-hour time frame. And once you got this market shift right here, this is where you can identify the higher highs and higher lows as your new bullish breakout structure. These tell you